The foreign exchange market, commonly known as the forex market, is the largest and most liquid market in the world. It is a global marketplace where individuals, businesses, and institutions trade currencies. The market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and it is estimated that over $6 trillion is traded every day. Forex trading involves buying and selling currencies at an agreed-upon price, with the goal of making a profit from the fluctuations in the exchange rate between two currencies. To start trading Forex, you will need to open a trading account with a reputable online broker. Once you have an account, you can access the trading platform and start buying and selling currencies at the current exchange rates. The exchange rate is the price of one currency in terms of another currency. For example, the exchange rate for the US dollar, USD, versus the euro, EUR, might be 88 cents per EUR. The world of Forex trading encompasses various types of trades that traders can engage in to speculate on the fluctuation of currency prices. These trades include spot trading, where currencies are bought or sold at the current market price, and forward and futures contracts, where traders agree to buy or sell a currency at a predetermined price on a specific future date. Forex trading provides traders with benefits such as leverage, which allows them to control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital, flexibility in terms of trading hours, liquidity due to the high trading volume in the Forex market, and the opportunity to diversify their investment portfolios. However, it is important for traders to be aware of the significant risks associated with Forex trading, such as market volatility, leverage amplifying losses, and the potential for unexpected geopolitical events impacting currency prices. Forex trading is a volatile market with the potential for high rewards, but it also comes with significant risks that require discipline, patience, and knowledge to navigate successfully. Achieving success in Forex trading entails developing a comprehensive understanding of the market, selecting a reliable broker, and adhering to a well-thought-out trading strategy. Approaching Forex trading with the right mindset can pave the way for a profitable source of income while working from home. For those looking to delve deeper into Forex trading, there is a myriad of supplementary resources available, including online courses, books, forums, and news outlets. It's important to note that Forex trading is not suited for everyone, as it demands dedication, diligence, and a willingness to continually educate oneself.